Cooking on Mars comes with its own set of challenges, but astronauts have found a way to indulge in the ultimate outdoor meal, barbecue. If you're imagining a classic Earthside barbecue, think again. Grilling on the red planet requires an innovative approach. Mars's thin atmosphere and extreme cold make traditional grilling methods impractical. However, astronauts have developed a specialized grill that operates in the low-pressure environment. The grill uses an enclosed chamber to maintain heat and oxygen levels necessary for combustion, allowing charcoal to burn efficiently. With temperatures reaching over 200 degrees Fahrenheit inside the chamber, astronauts can enjoy perfectly seared steaks. Seasoning is key to a successful Mars barbecue. Astronauts rely on robust, pre-measured spices that pack a punch, compensating for the muted taste buds experienced in space. Marinades are vacuum-sealed and carefully applied to ensure maximum flavor infusion. The end result is a juicy, flavorful steak that's as satisfying on Mars as it is on Earth. As tantalizing aromas fill the enclosed habitat, astronauts gather for the delightful taste of home, even millions of miles away. This out-of-this-world barbecue showcases the ingenuity and adaptability of astronauts, bringing a taste of Earth to the infinite expanse of space.